How to add text in PowerDirector. Now, in order to add text in PowerDirector, just simply open your PowerDirector app, and after that just simply create a new project. Now, you can also use the recent projects or draft that you have. I'm using this draft, and after coming into your clip, you will get this text button. Tap into it and tap to add text from here. Now, after tapping into add text, tap to edit, and then you just simply have to enter the text that you would like to add in this video. Since I have the picture of the food, I will add the food text in here, and you can also rearrange the text by tapping into here. Or you can also select the templates, style, fonts and animations for your text to simply select which type of animations or font that you want in the video. You can also use premium features, or you will also get a lot of free feature if you want. Just simply select all of the options as you like, and as you can see here, this way your text is added in your video.